Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'll show you how to enable CORS in your Express Node.js application. Currently we have a very simple Express app that just returns some JSON on the /route. We have a front end here. This is the code for it. It is just a very simple front end that has a button called test. When you click it, it will send a fetch request to localhost 3000/. Currently, if we do this, it will error out because of the blocked CORS policy. In order to fix this, you need to enable CORS in your Express application to allow a request to be sent from other origins to the backend. In order to do this, you could go to the Express Docs app, website, go to resources, middleware, go to the CORS here on the left side. This will pop up, and then you can just copy this, close your Node.js server, install CORS. While that's being installed, we can require CORS at the top of our backend code. Let's change this to a const instead of a var. And also, after the Express application has been initialized right here, we just enable the middleware right here, and then we have CORS enabled. You can then configure them further, only allow specific origins, etc., etc., and read more about it here. Or you could also just Google npm CORS, and you can get to the official docs of the CORS. So now if we start our backend, of course package. If we restart the backend now, we go here, we click test again, it will get data, secret data. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned how to enable CORS. Goodbye.